Alright guys, let's make the chocolate box. So I had cut down two pieces of 5x5 chipboard. This is going to be the top, the lid, and the bottom of your box. And then I cut down four pieces of 2x5, and these are going to be your sides. Then I cut down strips, 1-inch strips of cardstock that I put adhesive on. I used a scrapbooking made simple adhesive and then some scrapbook.com adhesive, and those are going to be the tabs where I use to connect them. Now you see I'm putting my tabs on the inside. Um, if you're going to do it this way, make sure you're going to fold them in. So this is going to be what you're looking at right now is the inside the box. So inside the box is going to have those pieces of paper. If you don't want that, then you're going to need to add space between the chipboard. So for me, there's no space. The chipboards are butt up runs on each other. If you want to do it like a book style where you add like a quarter inch, not a quarter inch, like an eighth of an inch of space, then you would flip your box. Your flaps would go on um, the back, and then what you see right now, that white square, would be on the outside of your box. If I'm making any sense. So if you do the way I'm doing it, it's going to be in the inside. If you do it a different way, like most people make it, and you leave a gap between the chipboard pieces, then you're going to flip it um, on the outside. So this will be on the outside. I kind of think it'll be easier to do it on the outside just so you don't have to cover up those white tabs. Um, I think the only thing I didn't really know what I was doing with this. I didn't have really any ideas yet. So uh, I think the only thing I wish I did was I wish that I put the pattern paper on like before I glued all the sides together. Um, I wish that I wrapped my corners, my chipboard corners and stuff before all this. But I have a way to fix it. And, I have thought of what I'm going to do with the box, and I really wanted to show you guys what um, I was asking for the swap. So that's why I made it. And then I thought, you know what, I'll figure out some ideas later. And I'm very excited to see what how my box will turn out. Um, Actually, as I record this video, I'm in the process of finishing up to show you guys what I did with my box, to give you guys some ideas what to do your box if you want to participate in the swap. So that's pretty much it. As I said before, I think I didn't mention this, but make sure you are 18 years and older to enter the swap. So that's the only thing I didn't mention before. But that's it. Simple, super easy, 2 seconds to make. Much love. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Get crafty.